Credit Repair Phoenix. Credit reports are essential to an individual's financial well-being, affecting their ability to obtain loans, credit cards, and even rental agreements. Unfortunately, credit reports are often plagued with errors that can negatively impact an individual's credit score. To help dispute these errors, here are steps on how to effectively dispute credit report errors. Step 1. Review your credit report. The first step in disputing credit report errors is to obtain a copy of your credit report from each of the 3 credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Review each report carefully and look for any inaccuracies, such as incorrect personal information, accounts that do not belong to you, or late payments that you did not incur. Step 2. Gather supporting documentation. Once you have identified the errors, gather any supporting documentation that you have that can help you prove the mistake. This can include billing statements, payment records, or any correspondence with the creditor. Step 3. Write a dispute letter. Next, write a dispute letter to each of the credit bureaus that are reporting the error. In your letter, include the following information: your full name, address, and date of birth, a description of the error and the reason why it is inaccurate, copies of any supporting documentation you have gathered, a request for the credit bureau to investigate the error and remove it from your credit report. Step 4. Submit your dispute letter. Once your dispute letter is complete, submit it to each of the credit bureaus either by mail or online. You can find the addresses and instructions for each bureau on their website. Step 5. Wait for the investigation. Once the credit bureaus receive your dispute letter, they are required to investigate the error within 30 days. During this time, the credit bureau will contact the creditor who provided the information and ask them to verify its accuracy. If the creditor cannot verify the accuracy of the information, it must be removed from your credit report. Step 6. Follow up. After the 30-day investigation period has passed, check your credit report again to see if the error has been corrected. If the error has not been corrected, reach out to the credit bureau and request an update on the status of your dispute. If the error still cannot be resolved, consider reaching out to a consumer law attorney for assistance. Conclusion. Disputing credit report errors can be a complex and time-consuming process, but it is well worth the effort to correct errors and improve your credit score. By following these steps, you can effectively dispute credit report errors and take the necessary steps to protect your financial well-being. Remember to be patient and persistent, as the process may take several weeks or even months to resolve.